How to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing up. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Play Store and search Spotify and make sure you have updated Spotify to the latest version, as you will find Wrapped in the latest version only. After you've done that, open Chrome and search Spotify Wrapped. You'll find 2025 Wrapped, which is the Spotify's official website. Click on it. Then click on Just Once in the app. It will take you to the app, and here you can scroll through your wrap as you want. You can also add story. Sometimes the option may not show in the app, so you will need to update your app and then from your browser directly search Spotify and you will find it in here. This is how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing up. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.